This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial or personal advice.
Good morning, traders and investors. It is Wednesday, the 4th of July, and we've seen the European markets continuing in their upwards rally, and the US markets, with only a half day of trading ahead of the 4th of July public holiday, they continue to trend upwards as well. Taking a look at the FTSE index, it was up 47 points, or 0.8%, closing at 5687. We can see that short-term buyer rally slowing down in momentum as the candlesticks get slightly smaller over the last few sessions. However, continuing to trend upwards on the short term and maintaining a medium-term upwards trend now as well. German DAX was also up. It closed up 82 points, or 1.2%, closing at 6578. It's in a very similar situation here. We can see the candlesticks pushing upwards as green candlesticks, and the bodies are slightly smaller, showing a slowing momentum there as well. The French CAC 40 was up 31 points, or 0.9%, closing at 3271, and now coming back to previous highs from April, back around this region here. As we take a look at the US markets, we can see that the Dow Jones Index was up 72 points, or 0.5%, and has started to push through the previous highs. This market will be closed tonight due to the 4th of July public holiday, but currently in an upwards trend with high lows, high highs, so we have the potential to see this continuing trending upwards as well. The S&P 500 index closed up 8.5 points, or 0.6% at 1374, and the Nasdaq market, representing technology stocks, closed up 24 points, or 0.8% at 2976. This subsequently saw the VIX index coming down. It was down 14 cents, or 0.8%. It had rallied through the last part of the session, which was about mid-morning through to 1 o'clock US time, and recovered somewhat from its lows of the day. It had hit a low of 1627 mid-morning, but spent the rest of the session rallying and closing just in the negative by the day's end. We have the VXX exchange traded fund in front of us at the moment. We can see that that's still down and below its long-term lows in a continuation of a downwards trend there. Closer to home, the ASX 200 index had actually lost 9 points, closing at 4124. We can see that it's finding some resistance here below 4150, and a little bit of a range there. But the SPY futures are pointing to a slightly higher open of 29 points. So we can see that that's going to test this resistance range here and potentially break through. But we do need to see a lot more buyer drive to help us get through this level. Okay, but that's a summary for Wednesday, the 4th of July. We hope that gives you a little bit of insight into the markets. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on support@dailywealthreport.com.au. Look forward to giving you an update again tomorrow.